Pooloob pool robot. We are gonna get this in the pool, but I wanna quickly show you the features of it. So this is how you get power into it. You got a plug up here on the top. I already fully charged mine. Now, the one thing I've never seen is got a few things. First thing is a buoy. So this is supposed to float above the water line, and this is what you can use to pull this out of the water. Or you could use a gaff, and pull it by the handle. If we open this up, you have your two clips right here, and then you kind of pull it over, over on the side, and you can lift this off. This is like the brains of it. This is where you need to charge it, okay? Now, if we look at kind of like the dummy side of it, this is just a bottom piece. It has 4 wheels on the bottom. It does come with replaceable rubber, and it comes with this brush. If you look at that, that brush is the bottom of your pool. This is where everything goes in. Now, the filter system on this is like nothing I've ever seen before. There's 3 filters in here. Usually, these types of robots only have 1. So this has 3. So you have this green one on the back, and then you have this foam. So this foam is like a pre-filter kind of, or a medium filter, I guess you would say, because it's in the middle of these 2. So you have 2 very fine filters, and then you have the foam one in the middle. So this should really clean the pool, make it crystal clear. Inside is pretty straightforward. Not much to see in there. This is where all the crud gets collected, and this is what you wash out. Let's get this thing in the pool. So this is the pool that I'm using on. It's a liner pool. Click the button to turn it on. It goes green, and it's ready. We're gonna put it in. And it's off. So I'm gonna let this run for the 150 minutes that it's supposed to run, and then we'll come back out. We'll look to see what it picks up from the bottom of this clean pool. Let's see what this thing picked up. So we'll just simply open this up, take the filter out. The filters look actually pretty clean. See, it picked up a lot of that like fine sand that's at the bottom of the pool that I guess you don't even see. I see some grass. So yeah, I think it did a pretty good job. That's weird, there's even like some weird bug in there. Let's go look at the pool. And to clean this thing out, all we gotta do is dump this out, this water. I'll dump it over here. Using a hose, we can just wash it out. So, pretty easy to clean. Filters look okay. You can put it back together, charge it up, and it's ready to go.